Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepika and today I am going to talk about the digital marketing. Many people ask me that Deepika, what do you exactly do into the digital marketing? So I thought I should shoot one video about the digital marketing, and so that my all of viewers will get the idea about what the people exactly do into the digital marketing field. So stay tuned with this video and watch it till the end. So digital marketing is not exactly it is the one thing. It is the combination of multiple things. Digital marketing is all about marketing of your product or the services through the internet media. So digital marketing is about the promotion thing. It is more related to your advertising. So many people confused with the IT and the digital marketing. So it's not the same. They are completely different things. But yeah, if you are from the IT background or you have a little bit knowledge about the websites, then in that case, this skill will help you a lot in the website designing thing. Okay, so simple. Let me first of all let me you go through what are the various fields available into the digital marketing. So first is SEO, that is search engine optimization. Second is social media marketing, that is the third is your paid ads. Fourth one is your email marketing. Fifth is your influencer marketing. Sixth is affiliate marketing. Seventh is your video marketing, and eighth is a content marketing. So let me explain you all these things one by one. First is SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Whenever a person want to rank his website for a particular keyword or the query, we put a lot of efforts into the optimization of those keywords, and we try to rank that website onto the Google search engine, that is called as a search engine optimization. There are various methods included into the search engine optimization that I will talk later. Second is social media marketing. The social media marketing is advertising your products and the services and the businesses with the help of social media like the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel. There are multiple ways of advertising the products and the services. Third is paid ads. Paid ads are divided into two main categories like the Google ads and the Facebook ads. The Facebook ads even you can show onto the Instagram, and on the Google you can see the sponsored field, that is called as whenever you search for the shoes, you will find out the ads like the display ad or the shopping ads. These are marked with the sponsored field, so these are the paid ads. Next is email marketing. The email marketing, you might find out the emails from Zomato or the any other brand which you are following, or you have subscribed for the promotional content from the other channels. Then in that case, that is about the email marketing, where the advertiser try to show his products, services, upcoming offers, newsletters with the help of email marketing, so that there are the high chances of conversions. Next is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something which is when advertiser want to suppose you have a good channel or you have the wide base of customers, and if you put the advertiser's link into your website or on your blog, and with that link if you can get the commission of that advertiser, so that you can also get the share of profit. Same way advertiser get the more views, more link clicks, and the promotion of his products. So this is the affiliate marketing. I will talk about affiliate marketing in the coming videos. Next is video marketing. Video marketing, you all know about the video, like the YouTube videos are there, or it is not exactly the type of marketing. We can say that people can advertise their products with the help of video content. It might be a YouTube video, it might be a Instagram reels as well. Then next is content marketing. Content marketing is all about writing content, blog making, or video content, or even the image content, infographics content. There are a lot of variety of the content available nowadays. Even the memes can be a type of content marketing. And for the content marketing, we write the blogs, we write the thorough articles, PRs, and the newsletters. And when we try to promote this content, we try to make them viral. This all the efforts come into your content marketing. So this video is all about the just the introduction of the what digital marketing field consists of. There are many more things also, but these are the major categories that I wanted to address in this video. So let me know how you find this video, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.